Apple September event is now over and all the new iPhone 17 now been in the hands of millions of customers already. Apple is now getting ready for some October announcement. In fact, we are expecting not one, not two, not four, but seven new products coming this month. What's up guys? Aman here. So, the first thing to expect is AirTag 2. Now, the first AirTag was introduced 4 years ago. The next AirTag is rumored to feature a second gen ultra wideband chip which will offer up to 3 times the range of the original E1. According to Apple analyst, the AirTag will integrate with the Vision Pro headset. As for the design, we are not expecting to see any change and it will be more likely use the same replaceable CR2032 battery as well. Now, the second thing, the star of the show. New M5 iPad Pro. Apple has also introduced a redesigned Magic Keyboard and also the new Apple Pencil Pro, making the first major iPad Pro rebuild since 2018. But because of that, this year update is expected to be mostly a specs bump. The next iPad Pro is expected to feature dual front-facing camera. According to the reports, the upcoming M5 iPad Pro model may include both portrait and landscape camera for more natural video call. Other upgrades include Apple's new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. Also, the brand new front-facing center stage camera, the 18 megapixel one from the iPhone 17, and more RAM as well, possibly 12 GB on the base model from the current 8 GB. I will bring full video about M5 iPad Pro, so stay tuned. At number 3, we got the M5 Mac Mini. Now, I don't expect any design change here as Apple already gave it a full redesign last year with the M4 model. What's actually interesting is a new report suggests that Apple may only launch an M5 Pro Mac Mini this year. So far, there is been no sign of a base M5 model. Apple could just launch the Pro variant without a standard one. At number 4, we have M5 MacBook Pro. Well, the FCC has also just published some documents that refer model number that don't match with current device. Now, the FCC report includes one single unknown Mac Pro model, and according to latest report, that could be just the base M5 MacBook Pro, with Apple planning on releasing the M5 Pro and M5 Pro model in the spring. So, at number 5 is a brand new Apple TV 4K. There is some leak code that suggests that the new Apple TV could feature the Apple A17 Pro chip from the iPhone 15 Pro and iPad mini 7. This chip could also bump the RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB as the A17 Pro only shipped with 8 GB. Apple may also include their own Wi-Fi 7 and 1 chip from the iPhone 17 lineup. On the top of this, tvOS 26 even refer a built-in camera. Still, there has been 3 years since the last A15 powered model, so any upgrade is definitely overdue. At number 6, we have the new HomePod Mini, which has not been updated in 5 years. Now, I'm also expecting the new HomePod Mini to feature an Apple designed Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip, possibly the N1 chip from the iPhone 17, which could be bring Wi-Fi 7 to the HomePod Mini, a huge upgrade from the current HomePod Mini Wi-Fi 4. We may also see some new color and improved sound quality. I don't expect any design change here. Up next, we have second gen Apple Vision Pro. Now, this is one of the most outdated product that Apple still selling for full price as it still run on the M2 chip from 2022. Well, we don't expect any major design change to the hardware aside from maybe a new space black color. The jump to an M5 could be a much needed upgrade, which could lap ahead the chip by third entire generation. According to report, the rest of the Vision Pro specs are expected to remain the same. No price details has been shared yet, but I'm hoping that Apple will finally lower the cost of the Vision Pro, maybe even by a tiny bit. And let me know in the comment what could be the max price that you could spend on the second gen Vision Pro. There's also a new FTC filing that has leaked with new Vision Pro reference. An Apple head mount device with the model number A3416. An image confirmed that yes, this is a Vision Pro. Also, some report says a new strap that's coming to reduce neck strain and also head pain. Hopefully, it will sold separately for the first gen Apple Vision Pro. So, this is everything we know about Apple's upcoming October product, which may be announced either at an actual October event, which could be likely a recording or a press release. If you're still here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.